Hey everybody, this is Mike with Accounting for Cycling. Today we're going to be looking at what's inside of this box. Obviously something with a battery. But so what's actually inside this box is the new Zwift Play, which is kind of a beta product still. As you can probably tell by this super colorful, exciting packaging that it comes in. So what this has to offer is oh, never mind. It's a box inside of a box. Even better. So, power up, connect, ride. Fun's at your fingertips. So this is a much more consumer-ready type box. It stays easy to control, all that. What we'll be doing today is we'll unbox, look at what's inside of here, and then connect it to my bike. Just kind of grab and pull. You have a user manual. We might be taking a look at that later. A Zwift sticker. Obviously you have to have a sticker. And this is our first glimpse at one of the controllers. Oh boy, I already turned it on. All right, there we are. So we've got one here. This one appears to be the right. And then one here. Oh, it's in there tight. Yeah, they just kind of go into your drops, and then you've got these little turn paddles here and buttons for power-ups. You can probably hear that. Yeah, decently tactile too. Also, it's kind of this seemingly cleanable, rubbery finish, which kind of makes sense since you're going to be using it quite sweaty. There is also a left and a right indicator right inside of the front here, a USB-C port for charging. What these offer is virtual shifting. You can control kind of everything from your handlebars. I've been using this like hack together method of a Stream Deck Mini to control Zwift. Anything that I wouldn't use my Zwift companion app on my phone for, that is. And inside of this final box here is a shim, two shims to really get tight up to your handlebars. And then a USB-C cable, USB-A to USB-C for charging. Kind of nice too, where it's just one cable, so all you have to do is hook it up to one USB port and you can charge both of these at the same time. The key features, and these are just kind of straight off of Zwift's website. Steer and brake with ease, virtual shifting, draft like a pro, so you can kind of get the perfect draft pattern behind whoever you're drafting off of. Kind of more gamified without fully just going with a controller. Integrated rechargeable batteries, you don't have to swap in AA's, AAA's, anything like that, or keep them plugged in. And they're completely Bluetooth wireless. And then also it offers over-the-air firmware updates. So as it's connected into the app, you can update them as updates come about. Zwift is pretty clear about it on their website that this is in fact still beta. Which is why it retails now for $99 instead of $149. At some point, it will go back up to its kind of listed price. If you opt into it, you're kind of opting in to be one of the guinea pigs, which, if you've used any of the steering plates or steering other things, you might be very familiar with that. This seems like it's a little more elegant. And it's just kind of nice that it goes right at your fingertips. You don't even have to like pick your hands off to go get something or turn your handlebars even, which can incorporate stability issues. Everything is just right at your fingertips, easy, ready to go. So what we'll do next is we will install these onto my handlebars and stick around, check that out. All right, so first what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit these. This is on Android, so the 3 buttons. Zwift hardware will allow location finding. Need to be unplugged. I was charging the Zwift Play controllers. This here, this one's blinking. There's one. There's the other. Excellent. And it says right away firmware update available. So firmware update will take several minutes. During this time, please make sure to keep your zwiftplay turned on and as close to the companion app as possible. Proceed. All right, and we'll check back in a couple of minutes. All right, and success. Cool. So we've got the left and right both selected here. Firmware up to date. Device details just goes over what the firmware actually is. Still kind of blinking blue. So this is pairing mode. If I were to start up the game on my computer, using it through the app, they would show, see how these fit. Now, I did read the manual, barely. These bumpers here are supposed to go if you have like a gap in between or like a stability concern. So, kind of get this right in here. Still got just trying to make sure they don't clip my brake levers. There we go. And you can still kind of wiggle it around a little bit here. So we got the one on the right hooked in, and I'm going to try this one without the shim. So it's still pretty firmly on there. And yeah, look at that. Okay, and so to remove the zwiftplay, you just grab this little lever here, and there's a little finger indent right here, and kind of just pop forward, comes right off. So this was the right-hand side that I did not have the shim on. I don't know, I don't think it made a huge difference, but I'm going to put it on just in case, at least until I get my first couple of rides in with it. So if you're not fully ready to commit to indoor training just yet, fairly easy to switch back and forth. Nice and easy. Yeah, and this kind of for steering, so you can, lean, I guess. And then buttons on the side, I would guess, for shifting. And then your directional arrows. So you can choose to, do a U-turn, right and left, pull up the action menu, and then navigate that way. So, pretty neat little piece of hardware. And yeah, definitely more finished than some of the other attempts at doing steering or adding controllers in. So you can still reach the left and right front buttons here, the analog control area thing. Cool. No issues with my shifting getting in the way. If you do run some issues there too, I mean, pretty much with any Shimano or SRAM brake levers, you can move your drifters forward or back to kind of bring them in closer, or I think mine are all the way out. Oh no, they've got a little bit of room. And so you can actually give it a little more room, and there's just a screw that you use to adjust. So plenty of things online for that. Mine fit, so I'm not going to kind of mess around with it. I've got them pretty well fitted to my grip, so it's kind of the old saying, don't fix what ain't broke. I think I said that backwards, but yeah. If it ain't broke, don't fix it, I think is actually the saying. Yeah, the reach is pretty good, even if you just kind of, without holding on to your handlebars, you can still put some pretty good force down on these, and gives you a good direct indication of if they're hooked up or not. So, which this is nice too, because you actually press on the Z that blinks to turn them on. So, and they go automatically to sleep after they're disconnected, or after a few minutes if they haven't been connected. Yeah, anyways, I'm Mike with Accounting for Cycling. Thank you so much for checking this video out today. I'll try and put some links up for these. If I have affiliate links, I'll post those. I don't think I will. As far as I know, they're only available through Zwift's website right now, so I'll post a link for that. Don't earn a commission off that one, but I will also have my Zwift referral link in there. So if you're not a member and you want 30 days to test it out, click that, check it out, try out Zwift. If you sign up for it, I get 30 days of kind of free Zwift, so that's cool. Otherwise, I'll have my other affiliate links down below, and those just go to help support the channel. But if you like this video, found it helpful, click like, subscribe to the channel, check out my other videos out here, and thanks so much for stopping by. This has been the unboxing experience. If you like the video, click like, subscribe for more. I'll be playing around with these quite a bit more this winter. Yeah, check out all my other videos. Thank you so much for watching. Again, I'm Mike with Accounting for Cycling. Have a great day.